How do you find out which reports are causing performance problems in Cognos? When dealing with thousands of reports, how do you realistically go about checking them for things that can slow performance like unused query items, disabled filters, and much more? ReportCard will do the checking for you. The assessment plans featured in ReportCard can discover which reports contain underlying issues and allow you to apply the improvements. Assessments run by first executing each report in Cognos, then finding improvements on the reports, and rerunning the reports with the improvements applied. This allows you to see the types of performance benefits you can get when applying improvements recommended by ReportCard. The first step to setting up an assessment is to click the Create button and then select the project. Next, set a name or leave the default name. Next, select the reports to run the assessment on. Here, you will select a small subset of reports, usually by department or release. On the next screen, you will see each of the improvements that ReportCard looks for. These are broken up into categories for report specification, server, and database improvements. In this example, select all of the report specification improvements and click the Finish button to complete the assessment wizard. There is a reminder to set parameters for reports that require parameters. This allows you to check for improvements with different sets of parameters to determine the varying effects on performance. You can also check for improvements with different output formats. With setup complete, you can either run the assessment now or schedule it to run at a later time, such as at non-peak times. After the assessment is complete, the results screen will show a list of assessment results. Clicking on the result will show each report that was analyzed, along with the baseline report execution time. Under each report, we'll see the set of improvements that were found, along with the execution time with that improvement applied. You can see that by applying this improvement, the execution time for this report improves by 28%. This improvement will clean up specification comments that need removing, unused query items, disabled filters, and similar queries that can be combined. In addition to reviewing the results for each report, you can also download the specification and generated SQL for the report with improvements applied. These can be used in Report Studio and a database utility, respectively, to further validate the results of the assessment. The final step after reviewing results is to apply the improvements using the Apply dialog. Applying results can be done on a fine-grained level to give you control over which improvements are applied. Clicking the Apply button in the Apply dialog will update the report in place and conclude the assessment.